Tired of tangled cords and clunky irons? Today we're breaking down the best cordless steam irons you can get, from travel-friendly picks to powerful home units. Coming in at the bottom of our list is a tiny but interesting option, a cordless steam iron from Xingsinan. It's built for portability and simplicity, and it's definitely not pretending to be a heavy-duty iron. This one is more of a travel buddy than your main home tool. It heats up in just about 30 seconds and runs on a rechargeable battery with a USB connection. That means no cords at all when you're using it. Pretty cool for quick fixes on the go. It's super light, has a small non-stick sole plate, and even offers both wet and dry ironing modes. If you're ironing a shirt right before a meeting in your hotel room, this could be your hero. But here's the thing, it's not really meant for full laundry sessions. The water tank is tiny, the steam output isn't great, and battery life will limit you. You'll need to recharge it frequently, and it lacks the steam power that even mid-range cordless irons can offer. If you need something ultra portable for travel or light touch-ups, it's a fun pick. Otherwise, keep watching. The next options pack a lot more power. Oh, and by the way, links to all the irons featured in this video are in the description below with the best prices I could find. Next up is the XABITAT cordless iron, a hybrid model that gives you both freedom and backup power. It lands just above the Xingsinan, mainly because it offers more versatility and better specs, but with a few caveats. It's got a respectable 1,500 watts, a non-stick ceramic plate, and it's designed to be used both as a cordless and corded iron. That's a big upgrade if you don't want to worry about reheating every 30 seconds. It even includes features like anti-drip and auto shutoff, which are great for safety and cleanliness. The problem? Documentation is vague. We couldn't find exact steam output, tank size, or detailed performance stats. That makes it hard to fully trust the build quality or long-term reliability. It's a decent all-rounder on paper, but still a bit of a mystery in practice. If you're into hybrid irons and don't mind a bit of guesswork, it's an affordable way to try cordless ironing. Like what you're seeing so far, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future reviews. Sliding into the mid-range spot, we've got a trusted name, Panasonic. This cordless 360-degree iron is super popular among sewers and quilters, and it's not hard to see why. The curved, double-pointed sole plate gives you awesome control and glides smoothly in every direction. It heats up fast, steams vertically, and comes with a heat-resistant case that's great for storage or travel. It's clearly designed with detail work in mind, not just bulk ironing. But it does come with trade-offs. The water tank is small, and because it's purely cordless, it'll cool off unless you keep docking it. That makes it a little frustrating for longer ironing sessions where you need consistent heat. If you're working on crafts, sewing projects, or you just want something sleek and maneuverable, this is a stylish and practical pick, but power users may want to aim higher. Now we're heating up, literally and figuratively. The OMAIGA cordless steam iron steps things up with more steam, a bigger tank, and useful cleaning features built right in. With nearly 12 ounces of water capacity and 20 grams per minute of steam, it's strong enough for everyday home use. The ceramic sole plate glides well, and features like anti-drip, anti-calc, and a powerful steam burst make it easier to tackle wrinkles without mess. Still, it's a cordless-only model. That means you'll be docking it often to reheat. Just like the Panasonic, if you iron in bursts, it's fine, but longer sessions may feel a little choppy without a hybrid option. For most households, this is a solid step up, a reliable performer with smart safety and cleaning tools. But if you want the best of both worlds, stay tuned. At the top of the list, we've got a powerhouse, the OMAIGA hybrid iron. This thing really hits the sweet spot for convenience, performance, and flexibility. It's got even more power than the previous model, and that larger tank means fewer refills. But the real game changer is that 2-in-1 design. You can go cordless when you need freedom of movement, or switch to corded mode when you want constant heat without docking. The steam rate is solid, the safety features are smart, and it reheats quickly. This model feels like it was made for real-world use, not just to look good in ads. If you want cordless flexibility without the usual compromises, this is the one. Great for families, busy households, or anyone who just wants a smarter ironing experience. So there you have it, our top picks for cordless steam irons this year. You'll find links to all of these in the description below at the best prices I could find. If you enjoyed the review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.